Hello again, everybody. This is Dave from Xclusive Collectibles, back with another box break. Today we're going to be opening a box or tin of 2017-18 Upper Deck Series 1 Hockey. We're going to open these up, see what young guns we get and other rookie cards, and hope you enjoy. Alright, opening the box up, we get a nice cool jumbo card, Artemi Panarin. Jumbo card, non-numbered. And we're going to open these up and see what we get. Alright, pack one. Nice Upper Deck foil. Easy to open. Got Matt Martin, Braden McNabb, Kyle Brodziak, Michael Grabner, Semyon Yarlamov, Oliver Ekman-Larsson, and Matt Murray, along with Paul Byron. Alright, we got pack two. We're going to open this up. See, haven't hit any young guns yet or numbered cards. There's not really too many numbered cards in here. But we're going to see what we get. Michael Frolik, Clark MacArthur, Alex Goligoski, Charlie McAvoy, Young Guns. There's the first one. That's a cool looking card. Brady Ski, Kerry Lithonen, Alec Martinez, and Pavel Zakia. All right, next up. Feels a little thick. We'll see what comes out of it. All right, we've got Brandon Dubinsky, Jake Gunsel, Brad Marchland, Charlie McAvoy portraits. That's a cool looking insert right there. Non-numbered. And moving along, we've got Jake McCabe, Vincent Trocheck, Mikael Backlund, almost looks like a short print, and Derek Brassard. Alright, from the left side, we've got Taylor Hall, Rick Nash, Jay Beagle. Upper Deck's got the quality gloss cards. Andre Pallet, Mitch Marner. Nice looking card. That's a good card right there. Upper Deck portraits. Insert. Zach Werenski, Jordan Stahl, and Matt Dumba. Alright. Moving along to the next one. Should have 8 or 10, well, maybe 12 packs in this box. Didn't really check that. Jason Demers, Sven Barchi. There's a jersey card. Craig Anderson. That's a neat looking card. Non-numbered. Kevin Beekska, Matt Moulson, and Josh Morrissey. And carrying on, we've got Jacob Chitron, Pete Mrazek, Tuvo Teravainen, Victor Arvidsson, Brandon Dubinsky, Canvas. These are cool looking cards. These aren't numbered, but certainly those are nice quality inserts. Adam Henrique, Evgeny Malkin, Gustav Nyquist. All right, almost about halfway through. Looks like maybe this one's about halfway. Frederick Anderson, Hampus Lindholm, Mark-Edward Vlasic, Riley Barber, Young Guns insert. Cool, always cool inserts. Marcus Granlund, Corey Crawford, Sebastian Au, and Adam Larson out of that one. All right, last one from the left side. We've got Matthew Peralt, Phil Kessel, Josh Bailey, Tuukka Rask, Vladimir Tarasenko, Shining Stars insert. First one of these we've got non-numbered but cool looking foil card. Ryan Kessler, Carey Price, and Derek McKenzie. Alright, next up, we got about 3 or 4 of these left. We've got Series 1 checklist. Henrik Sedin, Dustin Brown, Yaron Provorov, Philip Cheidel, Young Guns insert, Christian Dvorak, Travis Zajac, and Kevin Hayes out of this one. So definitely getting the Young Guns. A couple other inserts, and we did hit that relic. Alright. TJ Brody, Lucas Sedlick, Charlie Coyle, David Bax, John Carlson, Austin Matthews, Jonathan Huberdeau, and Troy Stetcher out of this one. Alright, 2 left, looks like. Final 2, final countdown. We've got Jonathan Taves. Alright, that's a good card. Alright, Zach Parise, John Gabriel Pageau, Upper Deck Canvas, Kyle Jarncroc. Canvas card. That's a neat looking card right there. Max Domi, Riley Sheehan, Cam Ward, and finally out of this one we've got Kyle Jarncroc. And our final pack out of this break. We've got Matt Stajan, Matthew Betting, Dion Phaneuf, Evgeny Malkin, Day of the Cup. That's a cool looking insert right there. Leo Komarov, Corey Perry, Miguel Bodker, and Patrick Wayne. So there you have it. One of these tins of 2017-18 Series 1. We got some cool looking canvas cards, a relic, and a couple Young Guns out of this one. So now you have an idea what comes out of these. For more great videos, make sure you click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for more videos. Listen and download us on SoundCloud. Visit our site at bloxnews.net and xclusivecollectibles.com for articles, news, collectibles, and help with your website, marketing, and SEO needs. Email us at info@bloxcoinnews.com to learn more.